Friends, have you ever had a great research idea, but got stuck trying to find sources, write your essay, and make a presentation? Imagine if only one tool could handle it all effortlessly. Well, you're about to see exactly how. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're checking out PagePeek, the AI academic OS. It was recently recognized with the Ahead by BET Further and Higher Education Technology Award. It brings together powerful tools to help you research, write, and even create professional slides, all in one place. Folks, I'll show you how it works step by step, so you can save time and focus on the ideas that really matter. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Guys, PagePeek isn't just another AI text generator. It's a complete academic research companion. It has 5 specialized agents to guide you through every step. The ideation agent helps you brainstorm ideas, while another drafts a well-structured version of your work. There's also an assistant that checks for quality and originality. And finally, one that turns your study into a polished presentation. On top of that, the platform strictly adheres to GDPR data protection regulations, ensuring that no user data is disclosed or uploaded. This doesn't affect article indexing or plagiarism submissions, so you can turn your study into a polished presentation safely. Mates, let's try out these tools, starting with drafting. I want to explore the impact of artificial intelligence on modern education and how both students and teachers should adapt. I type in this prompt and ask for a sketch to get a sense of direction. Almost instantly, the system analyzes the topic and comes up with a detailed research plan. PagePeek recognizes that this is a bachelor-level essay of about 1,000 to 2,000 words, complete with APA-style citations. Here's what it suggests for the project. Start by coming up with a strong thesis about how AI is changing education. Folks, the essay should be organized with an introduction and 3 main sections, exploring its impact on both teachers and students. It also guides you to critically evaluate the evidence and think through practical recommendations, including the ethical side of things. On top of that, it helps generate keywords, divided into primary, secondary, and search terms. Next, the system gives us 3 options: conduct a study to find sources, draft a plan with the outline agent, or jump straight into writing. We switch to research mode to track down reliable references. Then the research agent gets to work, analyzing and synthesizing information. Everything shows up in real time in the activity section. When it is done, the system provides 100 academic sources. It also generates a detailed report of nearly 2,000 words, which you could read in about 10 minutes. Folks, you can open and review every single source in full. They are completely authentic, and each one is fully clickable. All of these come from authoritative sources, trusted websites, and well-known scientific publications. Guys, you can take a look at all the materials it pulled together. Opening the report in PageDoc, you'll see the status is marked as complete. It comes with practical recommendations for students and teachers, along with a full research document. Next, we let the professor agent evaluate the work. At this point, it can grade my essay by checking its structure, arguments, and use of evidence. It analyzes the document and provides a detailed review. To better assist users in making revisions, our professor grading is strict. For example, in this case, it gives a score of 38.7 out of 100, highlighting that significant revisions are needed. The evaluation looks at 6 key areas. It checks the structure and logic, the level of theoretical understanding, and how well the arguments are supported with evidence. It also checks originality and critical thinking, the overall language quality, and the accuracy of references and citations. Folks, the strongest score went to language quality and academic standards. Meanwhile, references and citation norms dropped to just 18 points because the bibliography wasn't complete. The AI then lays out a full action plan to strengthen the paper. This makes it easy to rewrite my essay step by step, improving key sections and replacing non-academic sources with peer-reviewed ones. First on the list is developing the core sections, like the abstract, introduction, and methodology, and replacing non-academic links with peer-reviewed sources. It also calls for clearer research questions and a more original integrative model. To round things out, the tool encourages expanding the literature to include international materials, Mates, there are a few minor notes as well, such as standardizing terminology, including tables and charts, and reviewing each criterion with its strengths and weaknesses. All of this makes one thing clear: PagePeek doesn't just churn out text. It offers real academic proofreading and guidance to help elevate the quality of the work. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! We then tried the AI detection agent to check the paper for originality and academic integrity. The system confirms the text is human-written, with a low chance of AI involvement. Readability is low, which is typical for formal academic writing. The Flash Kincaid grade level sits at 16.23, showing postgraduate level complexity. Friends, the tool also notices high sentence structure variety and overall complexity, both strong signs of human authorship rather than a templated AI style. For originality and integrity, it reports a long list of references, including sources like APA Monitor, NEA, and UNESCO. Although some entries aren't peer-reviewed, a few citations are incomplete or use non-standard formats and need correction. Although some entries aren't peer-reviewed, the summary states that the authorship is almost certainly human. To keep the work fully credible, it recommends standardizing references and tying data to reliable academic sources. It also advises adding a clear methodology section and formally disclosing any AI assistance according to policy. Finally, guys, we used the presentation agent to create slides from the document with no signs of plagiarism. After uploading, the system generates a complete specification, project requirements, and plans everything. Key points for each slide are automatically outlined, and the presentation is created. Okay guys, as you can see, the presentation is now ready. We can view the slides, download them as HTML, or open them in PageSlide to see the PowerPoint version. You may also download the PowerPoint version of the file. The slides fully reflect our study in the style we approved. Using the assistants, we put together the research, verified it with the professor agent, and produced a professional presentation in one streamlined workflow. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. PagePeek isn't just another AI tool. It's like having a whole team of experts right in your pocket, from research and drafting to academic proofreading. Checking originality and creating polished presentations, it handles it all. It helps you work faster and more accurately, letting you stay focused on learning. You can pick your academic level, set custom criteria, and get professional outputs with PagePeek. It's a game changer for students and researchers. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.